guys, you know I love my Spritz, so I wanted to show you a little bit of a change because you know I love my Aperol Spritz and my Cappelletti Spritz. This is a riff on a drink called the French 77. So what I use is Prosecco, elderflower, Liqueur, Saint Germain, which is so yummy. This video is not sponsored by Saint Germain. Club soda. I like to add fresh lemon juice, a lemon slice, and a little sprig of mint. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious and beautiful and summery. Great for like an al fresco dinner outside or brunch with your family and friends. So check out how easy this is. Pretty glass. You know, what glass you use when you make a drink makes a difference. Ice. Now we're gonna fill it up halfway with Prosecco. Might be a little too much. Just right. Now we're gonna add some of this beautiful elderflower liqueur. So this is sweet, okay? So I like to cut it with some fresh lemon juice. So I'm just gonna put it in a strainer. By the way, if you guys don't have a strainer, you should seriously invest in a bunch of sizes. I actually have a much smaller one that I love to use for drinks like this, but my son likes to play with them and like sift dirt through them, so it's probably outside somewhere. Okay, but they're inexpensive and they're a nice addition to your kitchen stuff. Top it with a little bit of club soda, lemon slice, and let's add a little sprig of mint inside. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna give it a stir. Just a little. Sorry, I don't have a spoon on me. Okay, favorite part, let's taste it. Oh, so delicious and bright and summery. Oh my gosh, I think we need a bigger mint sprig. Oh, we could smack it. Let's smack it actually. When you smack it, the oils come out. I actually don't like too much mint. There's a drink called a Hugo actually that uses mint and lime. I think it's mint and lime juice. But I actually prefer a little bit less mint, just a little garnish. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys, that is so delicious. Okay. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you guys like this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another video, and I'll see you soon. This is so good. I love the fresh lemon juice because the elderflower liqueur is really sweet, so it helps to cut that and balance it. Woo! Happy almost summertime. Cheers.